Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I'm jumping on the celery juice cleanse fad that's going on. So this is my first attempt. I'm gonna make one right now. I have a new house too. I'll give you a little tour video maybe next. But here's the celery in the background. You can see that, and I'm gonna be making it the blender way. I have a juicer, but it's a lot more work and to clean and all that stuff. So the blender way seems to be easier. Here's how it works. Okay, so what I did is I finally chopped up a head of celery, which I think one head makes the full 16 ounces, which is the requirement a day. So you drink 16 ounces of celery juice in the morning on an empty stomach. But anyways, I put it in, it's not organic. They recommend organic, but I'm cheap. So I just rinsed it out real good in this colander. And I'm going to use this cheesecloth, which is basically what that is. So how it works is this. Got to get it caught. So it's got a little plunger thing, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to... Still ain't caught yet. There we go. Okay, so when I first put it in here, I know you can't see the writing because I can't either, but I had about this much water, just a very little bit of filtered water. I go to Walmart and I get the Ice Mountain or whichever one they sell in your area, but everybody has this clear filtered water. So I'll put that in there, just a little bit in the bottom. Then I cut those up, rinse them, and put them in here, and now I mean, it's well past 40 ounces. 16 ounces is all I really need, but I think after it's all said and done, that's about what I'll have. So now I'm going to take that off. I'm going to put this over a little receptor and filter it through this. I got to get a bowl big enough. It's a pretty big Pyrex. It's a 32-ounce Pyrex. Put that over there. It could be a bowl, it could be anything. Thing is, yep, that's celery juice, all right. Again, this is a cheesecloth. You can use a nut milk cloth or one of those fine filter cloths. I don't think it makes a ton of difference. My hands are really clean. I washed them really good. So it's supposed to be like kind of like the milk of a cow. This is my first time doing this too, so if I look like I don't know what I'm doing, I don't. Not super easy. I just kind of squeeze and keep applying downward pressure. I've never milked a cow either, so you know. So I did bust the bag. I'm going to scoop that part out and maybe, I don't know, edit a little bit of this video. Oh jeez, she's not going to be happy about that. Okay, so I don't know what I have to strain that. Obviously I don't want that stuff in there. Maybe I'll just use a little spoon. Maybe I should use my juicer for this. I'm going to try to get at least, what is that? That's 24 ounces, so 16 ounces is enough. This is 16 ounces. All right, there's my drink for the morning. supposed to do 2 cups on an empty stomach. And here's this thing for tonight. I'm just going to drink it. Alright, so this is the next morning, and I'm going to drink some of this that I put up down here. It's settled. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of separated there. I'm going to mix it up. There's nothing in here but celery juice. Let's get this back a little bit. Yeah. Nothing in here but celery juice. Everybody said you can add some lemon juice or whatever, but I think just plain celery juice is fine. I can't drink all of it in one shot, though. I usually have to split it up in 2. Reminds me, if you have morning prescriptions that you take, which I do, I know you can't see me right now, but I've got a multivitamin, and I take lysine, and I take, what is this? Omeprazole. I think that's how you say it. Omeprazole. And acid. So, I have to take it too, by the way, because of the surgery that I had. So keep stomach acid down. So it's a good time to, if you need 2 goes, just take your pills, vitamins, whatever. It's not that bad. Everybody's talking about how bad it tastes. It's like, it's not wonderful. Like, I don't love it, but I can definitely tolerate it. So, what you'll do is you'll do this for 7 days, is what the cleanse is or whatever, and some people have continued. I'd say just see how it makes you feel. If you like it, continue to do it. If you don't, then it was, an experiment and you learn from it. So, hope you have a great day.